Hello, my name is David Brown, Sustainable Tourism Specialist with Solomar International and co-author of the toolkit Tourism Destination Management, Achieving Sustainable and Competitive Results. My co-author Jennifer Stange and I designed the toolkit to be a resource for development professionals, but we believe that it has broad application to those interested in destination management and tourism as a whole. Unit 1 is entitled Ensuring a Sustainable Form of Development. This chapter provides a background of sustainable tourism, including the theoretical elements of the triple bottom line, the social, economic, and environmental impacts of tourism, as well as insights from organizations and professionals who have been essential in developing tourism in a sustainable form. Unit 2 is entitled Tourism Inventory, Vision, and Goal Setting. This chapter focuses on the first steps that are important as you begin to develop a destination as a whole, as well as the management organization. The first step is to create a tourism supply inventory checklist, which looks at all of the assets of the destination, including the accommodations, tour operators, natural and historical or cultural attractions, entertainment, and dining. Taking all of these into account, we create a vision for the destination, and then finally create steps to outline the goals for the destination as a whole. Unit 3 is entitled Auditing the Visitor and Resident Experience. This chapter will help us both look at ways to assess understanding of the destination through the eyes of the visitor and the resident. We'll use a series of surveys to understand the attitudes of residents towards tourism, their level of involvement in the industry, and then outlooks as far as employment and impacts to local society. We'll also use a survey to look at better understanding of how the visitors impact the destination, the way that they visit, the method of travel, how much they spend, and again, their impact on the destination. In this chapter, we'll also look at how to establish a destination management system. This is just a fancy term for an online resource where you can compose all of the information that we collect in the various surveys. Unit 4 is entitled Utilizing Clusters to Gain a Competitive Edge. This chapter focuses more on the theoretical backgrounds of sustainable tourism development and destination management. We look at the theory of clusters and that how this theory can bring together different sectors and different forms of the supply and demand side in order to form a cohesive organization. We'll also take a look at the practical side of clusters, how they can be used as a way to foster dialogue about the destination, as well as bring stakeholders together to create links and routes. Unit 5 is entitled Establishing a Destination Management Organization Using a Partnership Approach. This chapter is focused on the actual tools necessary to form the DMO organization. We'll look at the services that DMO provides and begin to understand what is necessary to create the structure and implement the business plan. Unit 6 is entitled Developing Destination Marketing and Positioning Strategies. In this chapter, we'll look at how to develop a marketing plan using a SWOT analysis, measuring the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the destination, how to create marketing objectives, how to better understand and fit in with a larger destination branding concept, and then finally how to create tools to measure the effectiveness of our marketing. Unit 7 is entitled Building the Destination's Online Presence. In this chapter, we'll look at the importance of marketing online through designing a website, entering into the social media landscape, and using search engine optimization to ensure that those looking to travel to the destination know where to find information about it. Chapter 8 is entitled Developing a Visitor Information Program. And in this chapter, we take a look at the ways that the destination management organization can communicate with the traveler while they're at the destination. We'll have examples of visitor information centers, information kiosks, and then a growing area of visitor information program, which is the online mobile device. Finally, the toolkit also provides a number of resources for the development professional, for those looking to begin to create a destination management organization in the area that they're working. We provide a business plan from a program that Solomar International completed in Bocas del Toro, Panama, as well as a sample scope of work required for the creation of the DMO, as well as the consultants necessary to build it.